Now I understand that getting your 4,000 watch hour might be very, very difficult, but I have already done series of videos concerning this, and this is not a strategy that you can just do now. This is not a strategy that you go and do now and instantly you get a 4,000 watch hour. You need to put in the work. But I have a concern I want to address in this video. Now, I'm not going to be editing this video at all. This video is going to be in real time because I got an email from a subscriber where she was displaying her concerns that she could not locate the green screen on our YouTube live. So right now we are going to be going live together using my other device, which I'm going to be taking you through every step by step how to go live on your YouTube and how to turn on the green screen on your YouTube channel to be able to get a 4,000 watch hour. Because let's be honest, everybody wants to get monetized on YouTube. Our main goal of being here is to make money. So let's not even waste time in this video. Let's go ahead and do this. I want to turn on the screen record of my other device. Now I'm screen recording. Let's go to the YouTube app. Now this is a YouTube app. I'm not going to be using my channel, so I'm using this channel as an example. Now this is the interface of your app. When you get to this interface right here, you will see this plus sign, like you want to upload a video, a short, a post, whatever you want to do. So you click on this plus sign and it's going to automatically take you to the options where you are going to choose. Either you want to choose a video, or you want to upload a short, or you want to go live stream. Now, the concerns that she gave to me was that she was only seeing the green screen on her short. That is, when she went to the short part, she looked at these options right here and she saw the green screen here. Now, note that you have not, this short video that you are seeing here, you have not uploaded a video you want to use for your shorts. This one is you want to start recording and you've not even started recording yet. And now this video is not about the short, it's about the live streaming. So let's go to the live streaming part. Now, okay, this channel cannot create shorts. So let's switch to another channel. Let's quickly do that. Switch to a channel that can. Okay, now I'm switching to a channel that can go live. So let me go live right here. So okay, this account has never gone live before. You see that there are so many processes to be able to go live. Now I'm going to be logging in my YouTube channel to be going live now. I've logged in my YouTube channel on this device. So I'm going to be clicking on this plus button here and I'm going to be clicking on live. So if you're already eligible to go live, this is the interface it's going to bring. It's going to tell you that, okay, you're ready to go live. And then you click on this pencil icon. You click on this pencil icon to edit whatever you need to edit on this live, like adding thumbnail, uploading a thumbnail, or you wish not to upload a thumbnail, then you cancel. Then you can edit the title to whatever title you feel like. Put the live on public, but because of this tutorial purpose, I'm going to leave it on unlisted. Put the live on public so that when you have clicked on go live, the live will be public. It will not just be you looking at yourself during the live. Now you can set your location, set your description, then you click next. Then you click no, it is not made for kids. Then you see this thing here saying go live. Please, this is what you will first of all click before you see your green screen. This is what you will click. When you click on this, your channel is already live and YouTube has sent you a notification and an email that you are already live before you will see that green screen icon. Now let's go live together. 2, 1, 0. Now we are live. Now we are live and I'm going to get a pop-up notification on my other device. Now see now that we are live. This live is not public because I am the only one seeing this live. is on unlisted. Now you are going to come down, you are going to see all these features right here. These features right here, you're going to see it. Let me mute this live and then remove. This is where you are going to mute it, and this is where you are going to mute your camera. Then you set your camera, you mute your camera right here. But before you mute your camera, if you mute your camera instantly, you're not going to see the green screen feature. Now you're going to go down, you're going to go down, and this is the first feature, this is the second feature, this is the first feature, this is the first feature, that is switching your camera is the first feature. Now this is the second feature, that is removing your mic. This is the third feature. I think this one is for effect. This is the fourth feature. This is for retouch, that's to make your life, to put more this one is just to put more filter to your life. Then this is the fourth one. This fourth one, what does this fourth one do? At least 1 million Ghana needed to create shorts. This fourth one is just introduced so that you can create shorts from your life, but your life needs to go more than 30 minutes before you can create shorts on your life. Now, to the purpose of why we are here, this is the video where you can mute your video, but you cannot, if you mute your video, you are not going to see the green screen. Then after this mute video feature, this is the green screen feature. That is this one after the mute video feature. This is it right here. This is it right here. But for the purpose of the video you are trying to make, you have to put your camera to your front, and this green screen will be here. Then you select a photo from your gallery. You can see that it has taken you to your gallery to select any photo that you like. Now this is not my device, so I want to just select any photo. Now let me select this. This is a photo of my thumbnail. If this is what you want to use this and then do your live streaming. Very easy. It is not that hard. This is your green screen right here. So this is very easy. I don't know why many of you are still complaining that you cannot find your green screen. Whatever is the case that you cannot find your green screen, I'm going to be ending the live stream here now. Whatever is the case that you cannot find your green screen, maybe it is because you have not updated your app. You need to update your app, or delete the app, delete the YouTube app and reinstall it again. You are going to see so many new features if you do so, because I did that recently and I saw new features. Delete your app and reinstall it again. That is how you can be able to go live and use this method I have and follow the process I have done on that video. I'm going to be posting the link right here. Now, if this has solved your problem, for those that are complaining they are not seeing the green screen, if you are watching this video, please put it in the comment section if this video was able to solve that problem. And now I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.